Hello students, in this video we will do exercise second D of our second chapter whole number from question number 4 to 6. See, question number 4 is using the distributive property find the product of first one is 938 into 104. So how we will do? See, we know that distributive property says a into b plus c. From here you can see a into b plus c, or after opening the bracket it will be a into b plus b into c, like this it will be. So what we will do here is 938 into 104. So what we need here, we need here b plus c instead of 104. So we can divide it in 104. 100 plus 4 will be 104. So we will divide 104 in 100 plus 4. So when we will open the bracket a into b plus c, so it will be equal to a into b, that is 938 into 100 plus 938 into 4, means it will be a into b plus c, like this. So first we will do a into b plus then a into c we will write. So here will be a into c, 938 into 4 we will write. So our answer will be 93800 we will write. After multiplying it will be 3752, and adding both the numbers we will get our answer, that is 97552. Now come to the fourth part. Here is 1078 into 96. Again we will divide it in two digits, like by adding or by subtracting. It should be 96. So we can write it to the nearest 100, that is 100 minus 4 we can write for this 96. Now this will be again distributive property in subtraction. So a into b minus c it is. So first what we will write, a into b, then minus we will put, then a into c. So it will be like this we can write, and minus 1078 into 4 we will write. So after subtracting our answer will be this one, 103488. Now question number 5 is product of greatest number of 3 digits. Here is 3, greatest number of 3 digits. The product of the greatest number of 3 digits and the greatest number of 4 digits you have to find out using distributive property. What is distributive property? This one, a into b plus c or a into b minus c, that one. So greatest number of 3 digit is 3 times 9 and greatest number of 4 digit is 4 times 9. Now you will multiply the product, you will find out like this you can write. Now this one number you will write such as that 2 terms should be there, like we can write it 10,000 minus 1 will be 9,999. So we can write it as it is. Now distributive property, yani a into b, this one is a, this one is b, this one is c. So a into b we will write minus a into c, a into c, 999 into 1 we will write. Now 999 3 times, and after multiplying 1 2 3 4 zeros we will write here, minus it will remain same only. Our answer will be after subtracting 9989001, or we can put commas here, like 1 tens 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, means 99 lakh 89,001. Come to question number 6. Here is a vendor supplies 42 liters of a milk in the morning. He supplies 42 liters milk in the morning and 58 liters of the milk in the evening. So what is the total milk he supplies per day? That is 42 plus 58. Here we have written 42 plus 58. This is the total, that how much that milk the vendor supplies, and the cost of milk is 45 rupees per liter. See, the cost of 1 liter is 45. So what will be the cost of this one? So we will multiply these two numbers with 45. So we can write it as a into b plus c. That distributive property we need to use here. So we will write 45 into 42 plus 58. Now first we will multiply this a with b, a into b, like this we are doing a into b plus c. First we will find out a into b, that is 45 into 42. We will write like this, plus we will write whatever the symbol will be there, we will copy it here. Now 45 into what is the remaining 58, 45 into 58, a into c. that we will write. Now after multiplying, it will be 1890, and this will be 2610. After adding both the numbers here, it will be 4500. N means 4500 rupees will be the cost of milk per day. Like this we can solve.